I'm going to do one. You're going to do one, Steph.
Yep.
Wah! Starting in the middle part of your range, so just cruising here.
Wah.
Good. Remember we did the Nike logo? Wah! A little bit smoother.
Wah.
Nice. By yourself.
Wah. Wah.
I'll do it, Steph. Wah! So more raise to it and then coming back down nice and smooth.
Wah. Wah.
Give me a bit more power. We missed the pitch then. Hear me. Wah!
Wah. Wah.
That's it. Use your stomach.
Wah.
Try more, Steph. You got two more.
Wah.
One more. Come on.
Wah.
A little bit airier on the top. On your last three, Steph, you pushed through a little bit too much air. Hear me here. So I've got more sob, less actual expulsion of air. So I don't want wah. I want wah. Really quick like that. Wah. Remember, feel it in your uvula.
Wah.
That's it. Hear my sob real quick. Wah.
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 That power.
Wah.
Steph, come on.
Wah.
Yeah, I'm going to need to go into breathing with you because we're going a lot from here, from the shoulders, where I want this. Remember, did I put your fist in my stomach?
Did I what?
Did I put your fist in my stomach to show you how my stomach moves? No, okay. I need your stomach to work more, so I'm going to go into proper breathing next week. Even if we're in lockdown, try to get a slice of muscle, if not buy one off me. But we've got a lot of shoulder action there.
Very good.
Cool. You did very, very well. Really happy with that. So we'll see you next week. Bring in the lyrics to all of your songs next week, and we'll go over all of your songs next week.
Perfect. Sounds